Hello, can you hear me?
Yep.
Good. Hello, everyone. I saw that one of the ideas for the lightning talks was modules that we liked. So I like the idea because often I find myself in troubles when I need to choose one, either because there are none on CPAN or because there are too many and it's difficult to find the right one. So I hope to inspire others to do the same in the future. So last year, together with some colleagues working at the Quadram Institute in Norwich, we tried to build a simple heating device for the laboratory. While building one, since there are so many, I mean, it's quite an old technology. Erica, here on the right, was needing a remotely controlled one. Basically, she wanted to start it when leaving her home, so to find the warm flasks when she arrived to the laboratory, and this would save her like 30 minutes of time, waiting time. So we prototyped a heater controlled with a Raspberry Pi, and the design and the code are freely available on Hackster, but we found a problem. So the problem was that we had to make the user interact with the Raspberry Pi. But in most cases, you cannot use the Raspberry Pi to host a web server because this would require to be exposed to the world, and most academic institutions wouldn't like that. So I did a CPAN search to try to overcome the problem with no results. And I started being scared that I had to code a web interface to be hosted somewhere with some JSON APIs to allow the Raspberry to fetch instructions from the website. So we didn't have the time for that. And basically, we needed a switch, nothing sophisticated. So I thought that with Telegram, you have both a server that is already there. You have an interface because everyone can download Telegram for their mobile phone, and you can host the bot on the Raspberry Pi. And that was it. So now we can switch the heater on and schedule heating cycles for the future with the Telegram application. So kudos to Roberto Frenna that made www.telegram bot API. That happens to be the first that I tried. There are plenty actually, and it works very well. If I have some time, I would like also to make a very small demo, just because it's still working. So this is the Raspberry Pi. And this is my Telegram. So, well, you can type command with a slash like help or list to see all the possible actions that you can code. Yeah. Status would return the current temperature, and if the heater is on or off, there is already one job in queue, so we can see when it's supposed to start quite soon, but we can start it manually. All right, and yeah, and this is basically some feedback text that I coded to have idea what was going on. And that's it from me. I would like to thank you again for the nice conference and for the support.
Okay.